Alright, welcome back guys. So it is now the Wednesday after my brother's graduation and we've been traveling on and off, or I've been traveling. I'm just not home as much as I usually am for at least the last 2-3-ish weeks. And honestly, I've realized that the summer is not really going to get much better based on mine and my husband's schedule. So I need to just catch up on a couple weeks worth of work, whether it be YouTube stuff, blog stuff, just keeping the house in order. And so I'm going to take you guys along on a very productive, maybe 1-2 days of my life. It's probably going to be today and tomorrow, but I need to give the dogs a bath. I need to completely wash all the linens again because our friends are actually coming back up to stay with us again on their way back home from their trip. So I want to get the house tidy again for them. I like to just maybe have some fresh flowers in the room. If nothing else, just a fresh bed to hop back into, kind of like a hotel, maybe some treats on top. We'll see. Need to do a complete stock up of groceries because last time we grocery shopped it was just a little small stock up, whereas this needs to be like 2 weeks worth of groceries hopefully. And then I need to tidy up the house. I want to vacuum, mop, dust. There's so much construction and just pollen and dirt constantly being kicked up around here in Georgia that I feel like our house is just constantly dusty. And I usually dust like every 2 weeks, but since we haven't been here, I haven't actually done like a full deep clean and dusting of our home. So I'd love to do that. There's honestly just quite a bit. I'm about to go do a grocery shop and I will catch up with you guys afterwards. That way, kind of get a gist of how the day is going to go. I also need to do some blog work and edit some YouTube videos. So take you guys along, see what we get up to, and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I currently have our duvet spread soaking in a mixture of water, baking soda, and some vinegar just to try and whiten it up a little bit some more. Since we do allow the dogs in bed, it does get a little bit dirty a lot faster than it probably would otherwise. Alright, so it is now... Okay, so it's about 12 or so now. There's a lizard. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, nope. Can't show you guys. Okay, anyways. It's about 12 or so now. I ran to the grocery store, went to get them some more pet food and some itching shampoo to hopefully help out with their allergies in the new state so far. I know. Give me 1 sec, okay? Just 1 sec. So I went to the grocery store. The groceries are now unloaded and put up. I've got my flowers in their vases. I've vacuumed some, threw another load of laundry in upstairs, and about to go, I think, put the sheets on her bed as long as they are actually dry. And then I'm thinking more than likely I'm gonna have lunch and then give them a bath, and or we might just give them a bath now because it's beautiful outside. Let me show you guys real quick. Do you see him over there being absolutely crazy? Crazy boy. But anyways, that's done, and I'm about to go get started on lunch. That way I can get on with the rest of my day and hopefully get to editing the video that I need to put up today. So, see you guys in a bit. Okay, welcome back. It is now 5:40 and I have edited a YouTube video, washed the dogs, done all the laundry, cleaned the kitchen, vacuumed the whole house. Let's see, I need to start working on dinner because my husband will be home really soon and he's had a rough day, so I just want to do a little pick-me-up dinner for him. And after this, I need to work on some blog posts, but I'm gonna get to it.